Play Pibaro, Ipinang Subhai Pi, Sakit Kami, Bakikubo, Baman Kasi.
Entak arp santarik naiwing ar arpuai. Umentri rang baga Meghalaya ukon ratsang mau loong ba omlaban kensting ya kajing kala kesain pertai ha kajela hadian bakat angut ki kongres hapo kajing alam u doktor mukul sang ma kilami no. Ukon rat uloong ba un bishar bhai kajing long jingman kabala ban penki ya kasorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance.
So definitely will be for us as a party and me as of course the president of the party, we would not see any situation lightly. So whatever the situation may be, and whichever party may come or whichever individuals may be there, it is important for us to not take things for granted. So definitely we'll be analyzing the political developments that have taken place, and we will gear up and work harder and try to overall see how we could as a party take advantage of the the situation that is prevailing. So let us see, but as I said, for us we would take it very seriously and would examine and study the political impacts of this very important, I should say, shift that has taken place.